Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at the beach. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. At the beach, what does a yellow flag mean? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, look at this. The sea is so big.
Yes, welcome to the beach, Ken. I love it here.
It has been a long time. I almost forgot how nice it is.
Take off your shoes. Can you feel the sand? It is so warm.
Oh, it feels nice. The sand is soft, too. What is sand made of?
Good question. Sand is very small pieces of shells and rocks.
Really? Shells and rocks? They look so small.
Yes, the waves break them for a very, very long time. Then we get soft sand.
That is amazing. So the sea makes the sand slowly.
That is right. The sea takes many, many years.
Hey, why does the water look so blue today?
The sea takes in the red light from the sun. The blue light stays, so we see blue.
So the sea is not really blue. That is so cool.
Right. The same water can look blue, green, or gray.
It changes with the light?
Yes, it changes with the sky and the light. The sea is never the same.
That is beautiful. You know a lot about the sea.
You know what? We are here all day. Let's talk about the sea a lot today.
Yes, please. I want to learn many things. I do not know much about the sea.
Then today is your lucky day. Look, those white birds are seagulls.
Seagulls. They are loud.
Yes, and they love food. Hold your snacks close or they will take them.
Really? Smart birds. I will be careful.
Listen for a moment. Can you hear the waves?
Yes, I can. It is a soft sound. I really like it.
The sound of the sea makes people feel calm.
It is true. I feel relaxed already.
That is the magic of the beach. Now let's go and get some beach things first.
Beach things? Like what?
You will see. Come on, follow me. Hello. We would like to rent some things for the beach.
Hi there. Sure. What do you need today?
We need a beach umbrella and 2 beach chairs, please.
No problem. The big umbrella gives you good shade from the sun.
Perfect. We will need the shade today. How much is it?
The umbrella is $5 per hour. Each chair is $2 per hour.
Okay. We want them for 3 hours.
Let me see. 5 and 2 and 2 is $9 per hour. For 3 hours, that is $27.
That is fine. Do you have a beach mat too?
Yes, here's a big one. The mat is free with the umbrella.
Oh, nice. Then here is $30.
Thank you. Here is your change, $3. And here is a receipt.
Thank you. Can you carry the umbrella to the sand for us?
Of course. Just pick a good spot and I will set it up.
Thank you. Is it hard to put the umbrella in the sand?
A little. You must push it deep so the wind does not take it.
Oh, I see. That is good to know.
I will push it deep for you. Do not worry.
You are very kind. Do you also rent boards for the water?
Yes, we do. We have surfboards and bodyboards. A bodyboard is small and easy to use.
Maybe later. The waves look a little high today.
Good eye. Always look at the flag on the lifeguard tower first.
The flag? What does it tell us?
It tells you if the water is safe, but your friend can explain that later.
I think she will.
One more thing. Go close to the water, but not too close.
Why not too close?
The water can come up later in the day. We do not want wet chairs.
Good point. Thank you for everything. Have a nice day.
You too. Have fun today.
This is a good spot, not too close to the water.
Yes. Let's put down our beach towels here, on the mat.
Okay. Wow, the sun is really strong today.
It is. Here, put on some sunscreen. You do not want a sunburn.
A sunburn? Oh, when your skin turns red and hurts.
Exactly. The sun is very strong near the sea. Put it on your face and arms.
Like this? Is that enough?
Put some on the back of your neck, too. People always forget the neck.
Good tip. I never think about my neck.
And the sun is strong from 10 to 2. Be careful at that time.
Got it. Can I use your sunglasses too? It is so bright.
Sure, I have an extra pair. Here, take these, and wear your sun hat.
Thanks. The hat helps a lot. Should we open the umbrella now?
Yes, sit here under the umbrella. The shade will keep us cool.
Much better. The shade is nice and cool.
Drink some water too. You can get thirsty fast at the beach.
Good idea. Wow, the sand is so hot now. My feet can feel it.
Yes, keep your sandals near. The sand gets very hot in the sun.
I will. Walking on hot sand is not fun.
No, it is not. So we run to the water.
Good plan. Hey, here's a question. Why is the seawater salty?
Oh, I know this one. Rivers carry salt from the land to the sea.
The rivers? But river water is not salty.
Right. The salt is very small. You cannot taste it.
So how does the sea get salty?
The sun takes the water up into the sky, but the salt stays in the sea.
So the water leaves, but the salt stays for millions of years.
Yes, so the sea gets more and more salty.
The sea has so many secrets. I am learning a lot today.
And we're just getting started. Come on, let's go to the water.
The water is cold, but it feels so good.
It feels cold at first. Then your body gets used to it.
Yes, it does. It feels nice now. Oh, my feet are sinking a little.
Yes, the sand under the water moves. Just step slowly.
Okay, I will be careful.
Be careful. Stay where it is shallow. Do not go where it is deep.
What is shallow again?
Shallow means the water is low. You can stand here.
And deep?
Deep means the water is high, over your head.
Got it. I will stay where I can stand. Can you float here?
Yes, you can float on your back. The salt water helps you stay up.
Oh, the salt helps me float?
Yes, salt water is easier to float in than plain water.
The sea helps me float. Thank you, sea.
The waves are getting bigger. When a wave comes, jump up.
Jump up? Okay, here it comes. Haha, I did it.
Nice jump. It is so much fun.
So fun. Let's do it again.
Look out. Here comes a big wave.
Whoa, it splashed my legs. The waves never stop.
Yes, they do. They come again and again, all day and all night.
Why do the waves keep coming? Where do they come from?
Most waves come from the wind. The wind pushes the top of the water.
So the wind makes the waves. What about the water on the sand, going up and down?
That is the tide. The tide is not the same. The moon pulls the sea.
The moon? The moon in the sky pulls the water here?
Yes, the water comes up high and then it goes down low, 2 times a day.
That is why the man at the beach shop said the water comes up later.
Exactly. That is high tide. We should watch our chairs.
The moon and the sea help each other. It is amazing.
I told you the sea is full of fun facts. Let's go and get a snack.
Good idea. I'm hungry now. Hi, can I get 2 ice creams and 2 cold drinks, please?
Sure. What flavor of ice cream would you like?
1 chocolate and 1 vanilla, please.
Good choice. Both flavors are very popular here.
I like chocolate the most. My friend likes vanilla.
Then you both will be happy.
Yes, we will.
Great. And what would you like to drink?
2 orange juices, please, with straws if you have them.
Of course. Here you go. The 2 straws are in the bag.
Thank you. It is so hot today. A cold drink is perfect right now.
It is a hot one. Many people come here in the afternoon.
I can see that. The ice cream will melt fast in this sun.
It will, so eat it quickly.
I will. How much is everything?
That is $8 in total.
Here is a $10 bill.
Thank you. Your change is $2. Would you like some napkins?
Yes, please. That is helpful.
The ice cream melts fast, so the napkins are useful.
Thank you. Is there a place to sit near here?
Yes, there are some tables in the shade, over there.
Perfect. We will sit there. My friend and I are having a great day.
That is nice to hear. Is this your first time at this beach?
Yes, my friend is teaching me about the sea. Oh, look, I found this shell.
That is a pretty shell. Try this. Hold it to your ear.
Okay. Wow, I can hear a soft sound. Is the sea inside?
No, not really. The shell catches the sounds around you.
The sounds around me?
Yes, it makes them sound like the sea, but it is really the beach.
That is funny. So it is the sound of the beach, not the sea.
Right. Enjoy your ice cream. Have a nice evening.
Thank you so much.
The ice cream was so good. Thank you, Ken.
You are welcome. Hey, look at the lifeguard tower. There is a flag on it.
Yes, that is an important flag. The color tells you about the water.
Really? What do the colors mean?
A green flag means the water is safe. A red flag means do not swim.
And the yellow one? I see a yellow flag today.
A yellow flag means be careful. The waves are high today.
Ah, that is why you told me to stay in the shallow water.
Exactly. The lifeguard puts up the flag to keep everyone safe.
Now I understand. I will always look at the flag first.
That is a good habit. Green, swim. Yellow, be careful. Red, stay out.
Green, yellow, red. I will remember that.
Oh, look at the sky. The sun is going down.
The sunset is beautiful. The sky is orange and pink now.
This is my favorite time at the beach.
Why does the sky turn red in the evening?
One more sea story for today. In the evening, the sun is low.
The sun is low. And then?
The light travels far through the air. The air takes the blue away.
So we see the red and orange light.
Yes, same sun but different light in the evening.
Same sun, different light. The sky is like a show.
I like that. Let me see your shell again.
Here, I will keep it. Today I learned so many things.
Sand, salt, waves, the tide, and the flags. You learned a lot.
And the seagulls and the soft sound of the sea.
Yes, you remember everything.
I will show this shell to my family, and I will tell them the stories.
They will love your beach stories.
Thank you, Mina. The beach is the best classroom.
I like that. Let's come back again soon.
Yes, let's do it. Goodbye, C. See you next time.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. At the beach, what does a yellow flag mean? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.